Now I'm going to talk about a video camera, an analog watch. Um, on this website, it says I think it's called Danko. That must be a brand name, but I never heard of it. It says Danko Video Camera Analog Watch helps you live out your childhood dreams. Yeah, that's what it says about it on the website. And the heading above it. Let's see what else it says. So yeah, I mean, it looks like a normal watch. I mean, it doesn't even look like a digital watch. Um, so yeah, you wouldn't think any watch like that, of that design, would have a camera on it at all. It's pretty sneaky if you wanted to do that. If you went to that spy gear type of stuff. Let's see. That has a HD camera. You can, and I think you can take pictures too. Yeah. The videos are 1280 by 960 pixel at 30 FPS as well, which I'm thinking that stands for frames per second. The photos 3264 by 2448, and it has a 4 gigabyte of internal memory. And as well, which can shoot for 70 minutes. So that's a pretty interesting watch. Bye. I mean, that's it for this video. Bye.